Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 6:30 in the morning. We started to a place called Maredimilli. It's like 120 kilometers from here, 120 to 140. It is showing around like 4 hours from here. I mean from my location. This is so cold. Oh wow. This is the first time I'm riding in the fog on this bike. Now it's somewhat better. More half an hour it is going to be like this. After that maybe it is going to be fine. Place looks like more beautiful in this fog. I did not expect this kind of fog in the early morning, you know. It's been like, this is the 6th day. Day 5 I did not vlog anything. So this is going to be day 6 vlog. This is the open stretch, right? When there is a lot of fields, there is a lot of moisture here. Totally wet right now. Yeah, you can see I'm totally wet, like it's like a rain. I thought of starting more early, but if I start more early then it is going to be more danger, because we cannot go beyond 50 or 40. Even Google is showing this kind of small gullies. We are in Rajahmundry. Korkonda is still 16 kilometers. From Korkonda, we have to take a diversion. This road is going to be like 2x2 line until Rajahmundry airport. After airport, there is going to be a single road. This road passes through, like after Maredimilli, you will be going to Bhadrachalam. See how many cans he is running, like 5 cans and in one bike. It's the luggage of the bike is more than panniers and setup, which is fully loaded. Yeah, this is the Rajahmundry airport. Came to a place called Rampachodavaram. Even this is also some small waterfalls. I'll show you in a minute. But we have to go in this way. It's total like forest area. This is the waterfalls. It's like side of the road. That is the road. This is called Rampachodavaram. And there is also other place called Rampa. It's like 8 kilometers from here. We will be going next to the place. place is known as Rampa. There is also a temple here, the Shivalayam. The place is like full of forest area. I have parked my bike there and I have given my helmet also there. Hope that will be safe. Like that cinematic shots. That was a nice waterfalls there. See this location. It's amazing. It's beautiful. That's it. No words. Here we can go left. There is a place where you can see coffee plants and some spices. Wow. I think I'll turn back. Yeah. Because I don't know where this goes. This road is so tempting, but road has been damaged a lot. These all are coffee plants. This waterfalls is known as Jalatarangini. It's not big, but to the waterfalls called as Jalatarangini. I feel like there are less water because if the water level is high, we can hear the sound of it. But there is no sound of it, so maybe there is less water. Yeah, a place like this. We have to go all the way down. It's proper in the like forest area. The entry ticket for this is like 20 rupees, which goes for the Andhra Pradesh government. These all are developed by Andhra Pradesh government. Before waterfalls, these waterfalls will be having some kind of like wooden bridges. That is the waterfalls. When I came last time, there is lot of water, you know. I came in the rainy season, so there are lot of water. Now there is only less water here. Oh, it's still going. It's coming all the way from here. The water is like pure. You can see it.